Hi and welcome to this video of Design Mastery with Canva. My name is Joshua Crasto and let's get into exploring fonts. So these are the things that you need to remember when you're creating your design and you're going to be using fonts or text on these designs. First, your heading needs to be bold, captivating, and differentiated between your subtext and your body text. Remember, heading needs to be big, needs to be bold, needs to scream out for attention. Then your subheading needs to be slightly smaller, preferably half the size of your heading font. And the body text needs to be half or a little less than half of your subheading text. Always make this distinction so that people understand what they're reading. Number two, there are cardinal rules in design, and especially when it comes to fonts. Make sure that the fonts that you use are readable. You don't want people having to squint or look at your designs funny to figure out what is going on in them and to get the message that you're trying to deliver. Second, do not use more than two fonts in a design because using more than two fonts clutters up the design and makes it very confusing. So stick to just two fonts. Three, space your text out evenly. Let the negative space flow because negative space leads to a clean design look. If you have text that's too close together, it's going to give the reader or the person viewing the design this feeling of claustrophobia, like they're stuffed into a box. So don't do that. Space out your text evenly and limit the amount of text on your design so that it's easy to read and easy to follow. Make use of font families. Now, when I said don't use more than two fonts, this is an exception to the rule. Now, a lot of fonts have different variations. So if we look at Telegraph, which is a Canva font, Telegraph has ultralight, regular, medium, bold, ultra bold, and black. So in this in itself, you have your heading text, you have your body text. So you could use something like a bold, ultra bold, or a black as your heading text. You'd use a medium or regular as your subtext, and you'd use ultralight or regular as your body text. I hope this information helps in your journey to becoming an expert designer. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.